What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're making fried chicken. Alright, family, so first off, you're gonna need all your seasonings, right? I got some vegan chicken seasoning right here, some mustard powder, Himalayan salt, paprika, white pepper, onion, and garlic powder, right? And I'm gonna be using this banana blossom you could find in all H Marts, and I'm gonna also be using this soy skin to give it that illusion like it was chicken. Alright, family, so in the same bowl that you had the chicken marinating, you're gonna want to add some plant-based milk. I'm adding my plant-based milk that I actually milked myself, which you can see the video for. So we're just gonna add about a cup, mix that in. Alright, family, so add some spelt flour, now mix. Alright, family, so now we got our flour and we got our liquid. We're gonna take our chicken and we're gonna like put the flour all over it. Gonna take it and put it in the wet. Do this about 2 to 3 times for it to be nice and crispy. Alright, family, so check to see if your oil is hot. Alright, family, so fry your chicken on both sides for 3 to 5 minutes. Baste your chicken so it's easier when you flip. Alright, family, so now we're gonna flip it. Now, let's go for the bite. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you next week.